Alright.
Yellow Pages, Winnipeg. How to stop people from snoring with Yellow Pages. There's no business directory in this fucking motherfucker. All you get is a clean lens. But you don't get shit. I'm gonna show you the taller ball. And
Make it count, man. Make it count.
Hurry up, my battery's fucking dying.
Oh, stop snoring!
It worked.
That's how you stop people from snoring.